Want to check which version of Elementor you're using on your WordPress site? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly where to look so you're always up to date and ready to build like a pro. Start by opening your browser and logging into the admin panel of your WordPress website. From the left-hand menu, click on Plugins and then go to Installed Plugins. Here, you'll find the Elementor plugin listed, and its current version will be mentioned right in the description. If you're using Elementor Pro, its version will also be visible there. Want to dig a little deeper? Head over to the Elementor tab in the side menu and click on Tools. On the Tools page, look at the top middle panel and click on Version Control. Here, you can see the current version of Elementor installed on your site, along with options to roll back or update if needed. When it comes to designing professional websites, Elementor is always my top choice. Use the affiliate link below to explore its features and start creating today. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. See you in the next one.